G'day guys. Isn't stuck through the bracket. Look at that. Looks amazing. In the shed again today. My car's here finally now. So I've had this car for maybe almost 2 years now. And one thing that's always really annoyed me is this steering wheel. You can see the rubber just isn't stuck to the ring anymore. It's all old, it's all the sun damage. I don't even think that's meant to come off. So, to deal with this problem, good mate Jason from Street Steering Wheels has sent me a steering wheel and a steering wheel hub kit. So today, I'm going to be throwing this clean as steering wheel on. And yeah, cheers Jason for sending this out. It's going to be mad. So the first thing I'm going to do before I start doing anything is turn the battery off, because the last thing I want to be doing is doing my steering wheel and then all of a sudden my horn goes off and scares the crap out of me. So just turn that off. Oh. Take that off. So now we've just got 4 screws that's holding this on by the looks. So just gotta undo those 4 screws. So after you get those 4 screws out, that little piece off, you kinda just have to give it a little tug. It's got these little like pins that are just stuck in there. You just gotta give it a little pull out, and you got little clips there too. Just flathead screwdriver in there and give it a little pull. So now I'm assuming I take this front nut off and then that big one, and I've never done a steering wheel before, so hopefully it just slides off. So I've went and gotten this, and turns out that it wasn't that tight. I don't know if that's what it's meant to be or not, but it didn't really seem good. So, got these 2 little nuts off now. Yeah, I'll get to figuring this out. Rightio, so got that black cover off now, you just saw that. Got the steering wheel puller on there now. So there's a thread on this side and on that side. You throw these 2 bolts through the bracket, and then this main black one through, and then onto the thread right there. So now start giving this a turn, and hopefully it pops off. So just after a few turns, it is now nice and loose now, so I'll be able to take this black one back out, unscrew these, and then I'll be able to just pull the wheel off. Steering puller kit all back into the box. So now we should just be able to give this a little wiggle. Give this a little wiggle. Pops right off. And now, I have absolutely no idea what's next, but got some new wall art. So now that we've got the steering wheel off, we can go ahead and throw the hub kit, also known as a boss kit. So this should be pretty easy. That just slides onto the steering wheel like that. Plug the horn in. So yeah, it's pretty easy, and then throw the nuts back on. So I figured out that it actually goes on the opposite way I thought, but yeah, just slides on the teeth, on the, what's that called, the thread. It's starting to look a bit like Dad's car now. So now, go throw these nuts back on that were on there, just to keep that on. Go get the steering wheel, throw that on, should be all done. So we got those 2 big nuts thrown on there now. So we can go ahead and put the wheel on. Got to throw my horn button on too. Pretty sure I probably will just leave it with that sticker on there. But then if I do end up changing my mind, I can just change them over. He sent us a few different stickers, but throwing this one on for now. So got all the screws back in now, the horn's in. Look at that. looks amazing. Heaps better than my old one. My old steering wheel is up on the wall in my room now. Looks mad. Anyway, that's it for today's video. Again, huge shout out to Jason from Street Steering Wheels. Hooked us up with that mad steering wheel. Looks so good. See you in the next one.